today we are going to be doing our Shein haul. Now, I ordered sizes 3X, 4X, and probably a 5X. I'm not sure. Yeah, just to be safe. But, so, we should not run into... I swear, every single time I try to sit down and record, somebody calls me. I just got off the phone. One moment. Yes, hello. Okay, and we're back once more. Now, I just got my package. I have 3 of these. Was that 3? I did 3, right? I'm not stupid. Let's replay that. I have 3 of these. I'm just opening up the package now. So I'll go ahead and pop up a picture of what the shirt is supposed to look like. It is super cute and purple. This is so cute. It's like BB doll clothes. So let's go ahead and pop this on. It's pretty short. Now let's see if they actually brought some pants. So the next item is this. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So let's go ahead and pop that on. So, not gonna lie, this shirt is really cute. However, it is a little bit on the shorter side as well. I noticed that's kind of like Shein's thing for plus size girls, is to have the shirts like right below your navel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So I do like the buttons that go right down the middle. It does add a little bit of a slimming aspect to the shirt. The shirts, both shirts actually were pretty thin when it comes to the material. However, they are very soft. The first shirt, the purple one, I didn't mention this, but I'm gonna mention it now. The purple shirt that I tried on first, it didn't really have a clear beginning and end. Meaning, like, I didn't know which way it was supposed to be. So I guess you can wear it either way because there was no tag or anything inside. The back is a little bit low. I'm not a fan of that. So without further ado, let's try on our third item. Oh, okay, this is the one that has like 4 sleeves. Okay, so it has like a first sleeve, a second sleeve, a third sleeve, and a fourth sleeve. So it's like this on both sides of the shirt. And I thought it was a very interesting top, so I bought it. Let's go ahead and try it on. I think this shirt is perfect for those big girls out there who hate their arms. So I'm one of those people who do not wear tank tops in public. I hate my arms. I do have discoloration on my arms, and it always made me very, very self-conscious. And I'm now 23. I'll be 24 in November, and I'm just now starting to try at least to branch out and show my arms, show my skin a little bit more. Trying to be confident. I'm trying to love myself a little bit more. So I do love this print. And so down the arm you'll have a second sleeve, a third sleeve, and a fourth sleeve. Pretty loose fitting. It's actually really comfortable. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what it looks like from afar. Our second package is a lot larger than our first. So far, I am loving every single one of these items. Yes, the length on these shirts can be a tad bit longer, but that is just preference. Not everyone likes long shirts. So this one is going to be like a denim version of one of the first shirts that we tried on, the purple one. I'm not big on denim at all. It makes me feel bigger than what I am, and so I thought maybe getting it in a cute style to try liking it on myself. This one actually does have a tag. The first one did not have a tag. So now I know which is the front, which is the back. The length is about the same as the other couple shirts. So yeah, let's just go ahead and pop it on. Alright, and it's actually, the material is very soft. It's thin as well. So this one's going to be a floral print. I wanted something a little bit different than the ones that we've tried on already. I don't have a floral print like this yet. So let's go ahead and pop that one on. Embarrassing story time. Okay, so the floral print thing was actually kind of like a, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, I think it was like a jumper or something. It's like the top that has like the shorts attached to it, and I totally forgot that's what it was. So I tried to put it on, and then it wouldn't go down past my boobs. So I'm like pressing down So I'm like pressing it down and I'm just like, it's not gonna go over my boobs. It's not gonna go over. And then I'm like, fuck, but I should try it on just for the video. So I'm like, I squeezed, like popped one boob out and then the other boob. And I was like, okay, we got it down this far. And I'm like really trying to shimmy the whole thing down. And I was like, why the fuck is this so tight? I'm like, I've never felt so fat in my life. And I'm just like, okay, I think I'm stuck. Okay. So I'm really like, I am the utmost trying to fit this over my stomach and it would not fit over my stomach. I'm pressing down and I got to like below my navel and I'm just like, okay, I'm for real, this cannot go any lower. And then I realized it was a jumper. I squeezed my body into a leg hole. I'm stupid as fuck. I was like, I've never felt so fat in my life. I'm literally trying to I squeezed my entire fucking body into a hole like this big. And I'm just like, I gotta push it down, you know? I'm so stupid. But then luckily my fiance was home and I go to him and I'm just like all discombobulated. I'm just like, listen, I need help. I'm stuck. I squeezed my body into a leg hole. And he was like, okay. So he's like trying to pull it up over me and he can't get it past my boobs. And it's just like, wow. Wow. I don't even have big boobs. So you know the hole was fucking small. Anyway, I don't like this shirt. I don't like the outfit. I just don't like the whole thing. But I will let you guys be the judge. This is what's wrong with it first and foremost. This is a little bit droopy. It could just be because I ordered a larger size than what I was. But I wasn't really sure if it was gonna run small, but apparently these things run big. So if you do like this kind of style, know to order your right size or even a size down. Or maybe girls my size usually have bigger boobs than I do, so they can fill this shit out. I cannot. Okay, so next we have this thing right here. I say things, I don't remember what this is. To be honest, I don't. I think it could be a skirt, it could be a shirt, it could be both. It's both. Okay, alright, so let's pop this on. It's a cute top. I do like this pattern. All these clothing items though are really thin. Alright, this barely goes over my bra. That's great. So this is supposed to be like a high-waisted skirt. It does have a skirt inside of it. The skirt is actually really soft. I'm scared to step back. I've never worn anything like this in my life. Let's pray. I love this. I love this. I feel so high fashion. Hold on. A++. So next we're going to try on this pattern thing right here. I don't remember if this was a dress or a shirt. Maybe it's both again. I don't know. I'm kind of hoping it's both again. I might get more two pieces. These are pants. Wow, we finally got some pants. Okay, so these are so cute. I know. Hold on. So I work as a beauty consultant, and when I saw these pants, I was like, does this not say beauty consultant to you? Hold on, I'm just gonna fold them in half and then like show you. It's the same pattern all the way down. It has a really cute like sash belt thing. Yeah, so let's go ahead and pop these on. I feel like the pants could be made out of a more comfortable material. They are pretty soft, but they also feel like nylon-ish. So one thing I don't like about this is that they have belt loops on this pants. However, the belt loops don't really serve a purpose. They're just there for the aesthetic. It's kind of like when girls' pants have pockets, but the pockets are not actually functional. That is the belt loops on this thing. So the belt, you can wear it straight down the middle, which I don't personally like on me, or you can wear it to the side, which I feel like to the side would look a lot better. However, the strings aren't even when they're to the side, and that kind of bothers me. These are very high-waisted. I will say that. They are very high-waisted. The top of the pants is right here. And if I even wear them lower, it'll just look baggy and not right. So I'm gonna pull my pants all the way up just to show you guys how high-waisted these are. So what are your guys' thoughts on the pants? I don't know. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. So I got another pair of pants. Let's go ahead and try those on. Okay. First of all, these do not have a great smell. They smell like mayonnaise. I'm not a fan of the smell. I do, however, really love the gold buttons on the sides of this. I'm not a fan of this material at all. Okay, so they do slide over my thighs pretty nicely, which is great. They fit nice so far, where they are not the most comfortable. They stretch wonderfully. Okay, so no go on the pants. Definitely do not like these at all. The length, horrible for me. Material, not great. Smells like mayonnaise. And yeah, the only positive things I have to say about these are they are stretchy, and I like the little gold buttons. However, they're very loosely sewed on, so I feel like those little shits are gonna come loose as soon as they hit the washer. Right, it looks like this is our last item. This is actually the same shirt as our first one. This is its orange counterpart. So I don't wear a lot of bright colors. I love bright makeup, I love bright eyeshadows, but when it comes to like bright clothes, count me out. Not the biggest fan. Do I own some? Yeah. Do I wear them? Not really. So I bought an orange one. So I didn't show you what the first one looked like inside, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, no tag. Subscribe to my OnlyFans. I look like an orange creamsicle, but that is a-okay because I love orange creamsicles. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. Alright, so sorry guys. I actually did order a pair of tights. They're fishnets. So I won't be featuring those in the video because like they're just fishnets and there's nothing much to see. So yeah. Just thought I'd mention that. Okay, bye. For real this time. Alright, bye.